Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add payment methods to Shopify. So probably you already have a payment method linked to your Shopify and you want to add more payment methods. Now, what we are going to do right now is we are going to log into our Shopify store and I'm going to show you in a few seconds how you can add payment methods to your own Shopify store. Alright, now I am on the dashboard of my Shopify store. Now the first step, guys, to add payment methods to your Shopify is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on payments. Here, this may be different from this page will be different, especially if you live, for example, in the United States. This is going to be different, and as you can see, supported payment methods for me is PayPal. Like the default payment methods is PayPal for me, but for you, you may find here Stripe or another payment method. Now, but the same process. Okay, now as you can see, it says here payment providers. You can add like third party payment providers if the supported payment methods not available. Okay, now if, for example, I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. As you can see here, supported payment methods, it means the payment methods that are supported by Shopify. Okay, now if you click here on add payment method, you can search by payment method. For example, you want to accept Visa card, you want to accept MasterCard, you want to accept American Express. Now after you select all these payment methods, it will show you here all the providers that offer these payment methods. Here, one of them is this one, to check out Convert Plus. Now, like I said, this will be different if you live in, for example, Europe, or if you live in United States. This page is going to be different from other Shopify stores. Now, for me, the providers that accept these payment methods are like Ping Pong Checkout, this one, and Payter to checkout. If you scroll down, you will find a lot of providers that accept these payment methods. But what if you want to, for example, receive Bitcoin payments? You can just add Bitcoin, and you can see the providers that accept the Bitcoin payments methods. Okay, now I'm going to delete Visa, for example, MasterCard, and Discover. And as you can see, if I want to receive Bitcoin payments, these are two providers that allow me to do that: Coinbase Commerce, Crypto.com Pay. Now, to accept, for example, Bitcoin, you just need to click on these providers, and you need to click on install, and then create an account on Coinbase e-commerce. Now, each provider is different. Each provider is the process to create an account is different. So after you find the provider that you want, you just need to search on YouTube how to link Coinbase Commerce, for example, to Shopify, and you will find a lot of videos. I'm going to show you how to connect, for example, Coinbase to Shopify, and you will find a lot of videos here. As you can see, how to accept Bitcoin payments, how to accept crypto payments. Now you will find a lot of videos after you find the provider that you want to add to your own Shopify. Now, if you can't find a provider, make sure you click on choose a provider in the top. As you can see, payment providers that enable you to accept payments at a rate set by the third party. Now, these providers, they are not supported by Shopify, but you can still use them. Okay, now one of them is this one, Payoneer Checkout Native Cards, Tap Payments. There are a lot of providers here. You can also filter third-party payment providers. For example, you can search for any third-party payment providers here if you can't find it easily. Now, here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find a lot of like manual payment methods. If you scroll down, this payment, like, it means cash on delivery. So after someone receives the order, they are going to pay the courier or whatever they call it. I don't know how to pronounce the word courier. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So you just need to click, for example, this plus manual button, and you want to select cash on delivery. Now additional details, they will be displayed to the customer after they are on the checkout page or the product page. After they click on buy now, they will receive this additional payment details like, hi, you will pay the amount X after you receive the product. Okay, and here payment instructions, you just need this it displays to customers after they place an order with these payment methods. The payment instructions, you just need to say something like cash on delivery. It's the same thing. Okay, you will pay after you receive the product by the shipping company, and that's it. Now after that, you want to click on save. Now, like I said, to add payment method, just click on add payment method. And for example, if you want to receive payment methods via Visa and MasterCard, just select all these, and after you select them, you will find the like providers that accept these kind of payment methods. Now for example, you want to use to checkout, you just need to create an account on to checkout. Like I said, again, just search for to checkout convert plus to Shopify on YouTube, and you will find a video specifically showing you how you can link to checkout convert plus to your Shopify, so that you can start receiving payments from these payments methods that you have selected here. Okay guys, I hope this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, I reply to every single video. See you guys next video.